now? Yes. Yes. Our lesson today is about organizing data, page 40, 47, 43 in student book, page 43 in student book. طب Yasin, read the first part, first paragraph. Read it, Yasin.
Organizing data. Data can be organized in several ways. Which method is chosen depends largely on the type of data being collected. Constructing a tally and frequency table is a simple way of recording the number of results in each category. For example, a survey is carried out to test the manufacturer's claim that there are about 36 chocolate buttons in each packet. The number of buttons in each of the 25 packets is counted, giving the figures below. 35, 36, 34, 37, 36, 36, 38, 37, 36, 35, 38, 34, 35,
Yes.
36.
Yes.
36, 34, 37, 38, 37, 36, 35, 36, 36, 37, 36.
Yeah, thank you, Yasin. Okay. Here is we can the data here we can't understand it well because it's confusing. It's, how to understand. We can make like Tilly and the frequency table. Tilly and the frequency table to more organize, to put it in a disciplined way, okay, and we can illustrate it how to get it. We have a numbers. The smallest number is 34 and the biggest one is 38. We can put in the column and we can see how many repeated, how many times that repeated for each number. يعني for example 34 we count the time for a beer 34 يبقى here it's 35 no 34 at one times we search about 34 okay the next one 34 34 and so on okay 34 and 34 يبقى how many times that 34 appear is 3 times I make a 3 dash like this the frequency is called the 3 and the next number is 35 35 we count the appears of 35 here is 35 at 1 and here is where is 35 excellent scene 35 35
Sir,
and here is
I don't understand
yes
because I get
35
out
okay
with cousin.
just only okay no problem in the I am now in the beginning of our session يعني
Okay.
missing anything yeah just only we count the repeated of number I count the 34 is appear 1 2 3 if I put 3 because it's a frequency it's appear 3 times I after that I count how many 35 and 1 2 3 4 I put 4 the next how many 36 I just only I count 36 يبقى the first one 36 and here is 36 okay 36 and 36 36 and so on 36 36 36 if you count it we can find that how many 1 2 10 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 where is a 10 type you have a tally ضمن مين by tally just a dash this is 1 2 3 4 5 it is a 5 6 7 8 9 10 يبقى put 10 you count after that 37 how many
We must do a
frequency
dash.
yes yes we have to count the 37 how many frequency of 37 just only to count it 1 2 3 4 you change have to change the color here like this add 1 2 3 4 okay and 5 you put it 5 and so on and the 38 the same you just only calculate how many frequency of 38 and so on 38 just only 1 2 and 3 here is called a Taylor and the frequency table but we have a problem Why? Because if in next example we can show what is the problem. Sometimes, okay, again read it, Yasin. Sometimes,
Sometimes, if there is a big range in data, it is most useful. It is more useful to group the data in a grouped frequency table. The groups are chosen so that no data item can appear in two groups.
yes.
98 and 71.
Okay, no, okay, stop. Here is some, you have a problem. If the range between a small number and the big number is very large, what I mean? And is if I ask you what about the small number here, what is the smallest number in the group? If we can look here and search about the smallest number, here is 71, and the biggest number, yes,
101.
105. Okay, if you see the range between them 105, subtract from 71, we get it get it about 34 numbers. It's very large to write it, to make it as a table. يعني you can't make it very large, 71, 72, 73 until we reach 105. It's very big table, and it can't understand how I put it in from 71 to 100. Even though if the largest number is 100 and the smallest number is 2, how can I make it in the table? Here is the problem. Here is the issue. How can solve this issue? We can solve this by grouped frequency table. What the meaning by grouped frequency table? Grouped, I put it in the group. I divided them into group. How to divide it? From 70, from the smallest number, 71, and add 9 to 80. Here is the first group, and the second group from 81, increase by 1, add 9 to 90. The next 91 to 100, and 101 to 110. Okay, and this one. Here is I put this a group. I can say minimize the large that I can make it the large distance, or the large number. Can I put it in like 71, 72, and so on? And instead of make 71, 72, I put it in group. It's very easy then to use the sequence of numbers 71, 72, and so on. We can't use like this. Just put a group. طيب. The first one يبقى instead of make if you why you make group the frequency table, because the range between the smallest value and the biggest value is very huge, the number between them, because the range between 105 and the 71 is very huge. We can't make a tele frequency table, not group the frequency table. It's better to make a group the frequency table. We can, yes. What do you want?
I have a question. If I have, for example, from 71 till 80, I can only choose 72 and 73, or I can choose also 71 and 80.
Yes, I can. Here is from again from how to fill the frequency table, how to fill it, and how to do it. Just only to fill it, you just only count from 71 to 80. How to count from 71 to, you take 71, 72, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, until 80. يبقى 78, 9 until 80. يعني you take all of them in this range. 71, 72, 73, and so on. 74, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 8 and the 9 and the 80 also. 8,
But
9,
why here he write
8, okay.
10?
Write what?
He write 10 in the edge. The
Okay,
dashes.
okay, because he, yes, okay, I can say. Here is, we start now, okay, because each time I add 9, and each time here is between two numbers, a 9, here is a 9, here is a 9, here is a 9. Type, how to put 105. We have to start from 101 and add 9 to get it 110, just only. But also I didn't find the 110, no problem, because it is a group, just only a group. You need all the element in the group. يعني ما عندكش مشكلة إن ال 110 مش موجودة، أوكي مفيش مشكلة، بس أنت just only to put the same range. لازم تحط same numbers، يعني كل مرة increase by 9 يبقى لازم كل جروبز هنا increase by 9 and so on. يعني between 9 من 71 ل 80 لازم يكونوا equal groups. يعني لازم you add 9 in each group, you have to add 9 in each group. طيب here is 71 until 80, 81 until 90, 91 until and so on. طيب طيب how to perform the table, how to do it the table. طب to do it the table, count from 71 to 80. I count all the number that start from 71 until 80. طيب 71 I put it ادي 1, 60 76 77 72 78 77 73. Okay, 80 no, don't take 86. Okay, 75
81.
no, I stopped.
Why?
I
It's
stopped
much
and-
more than
yeah,
8.
yeah,
okay, and so on. And 79, and here is 74, 80 no, 82, 80, 88, we can take it. 91, 97, no, 85, no. Type 90 with us.
It's 11. No.
97,
No,
110.
No.
No, 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 no. It's
No, yes.
It's
Type
20.
you have-
is no, yeah?
Yeah,
What?
yes, because you start from 71
Yes.
until 80. You
Yeah,
have to
it's
count
12. It's
1,
12.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh,
Okay,
13.
يبقى 12 not 13. 1, 2,
yeah,
3,
yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have a
I
12.
think you didn't count
Yes.
them.
يبقى you put it 12. خلاص. The next one, you change your color just only. Instead, just only you change your color. You change the shape to differentiate between 71 until 80. You start in 81 to 90. You just only count from 81. Here is the first group. Yes, we can find a. Here is 86. Yes, and here is 81 with us.
What about 80? Yeah, no, it can't.
Yes, 80, 81. Type 105. لا, the
No, because it's not much
yes.
more than
yes,
90.
100.
Can I
No.
go to the
82.
bathroom?
Yeah,
82.
Okay, and so on. Okay, don't write, please. You can confuse. Okay.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Stop, Mustafa.
Stop. Okay, just a minute يا شباب. Okay, just a minute.
Sir, I have
يبقى here
another
is
question.
yes. يبقى again يبقى again يبقى here is stop. يبقى then 81 I completed. 81 I take it, and yes 82. Okay, and here is okay,
88.
88 ticket, and
83 also.
85
85.
ticket, and 84. Okay, 80 كانت in the previous. Okay,
Yes,
يبقى
no.
here is yes. يبقى I take, if you take it out the count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you count it, please, you confuse me. يعني please, Mustafa. Okay, you confuse. You make a confuse for your colleagues, because you are writing. When I write, don't do any annotation, because you have a problem now. Muhammad. Okay, stop. يبقى here, if you
Some
count.
of the 70s are erased,
Yes,
like
yes,
75 and
okay.
74.
Yes. If you count them, yeah, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go on. We have 83. Okay.
90, mister.
You find that is 90. Okay.
And here is the
Here
90, mister. There's one
Here
of
is
them.
90. Okay, here is a 90. 95. No. Here is 8, 7, and so on. Like 9.
This?
Okay, this one. If you count them, you find it equal 9. Okay, if you count them, yes.
Yes, equal.
Yes, here is the interval. Okay, right. The next one,
Stop.
between 91 until 100. 91 until I change the color. من 91 until 191. Here is 98, and here is okay. 91. Here we have a 91, and 96, and 97, and 95. If
Yeah.
you yes, if you count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think it's a 100. Yes, we have a 100 also. يبقى 6.
yes.
Yes, يبقى here is a 6. And after that, the last one, if you count from 101 to 110, here is at 1, at 2, and 3. يبقى I have a 3. How to know that you are correct? Again, how to know that you are correct? To know that is are correct. How to know that is are correct? If you add them, 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. If you add them, you find this number is 36. Yes, if you add them, you find the, and if you count them,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if you count the number here, if you add first, here is 30. Sorry, it is if you add them, you find that is 30. 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. If you add them, you get it 30.
We know it is 30, Mr.
Yes.
Because you
And
bring
here,
this
yes, and here
this,
is,
right?
they say yes. Here is if you add the frequency, you get 30, and here is that the data is also 30. This means that you are correct. Again, how to check your answer, because maybe you forget. Maybe when you can't see some number, you didn't put an appropriate weight in the table, and you're missing numbers. How to know that is correct? You just only count or add them. If you add them, you get a 30, and here is a 30. 10 multiplied by 3. The data here is 10 multiplied by 3 equal 30, and so on. But here is correct. Okay, fine. Another thing to know is about how this is extra information. How to know the groups, how to make the group. You make the group, and how to make 4 groups or 5. We can make the group like this. Take the biggest value, اللي هي 105, minus the smallest value, اللي هي 71, over how many groups. Here is the answer. If you subtract 105 minus, you get it 34. How many groups do you want? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 4 group, divided by 4. If you divided this number, the approximately value for 34 is 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. This means that each time you add 9. Again, here is extra information. Again, extra information, not belong to you. How to know that you make, if you want to make a 4 groups. What's about the range? Range you can take like this. You subtract the biggest value minus small value divided by the number of group. If you divide it by 4, how to divide the 34 divided by 4? You divide it by approximate. 34 is nearest to 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Each time I add 9. Here is you add 9. Here is add 9. Here is added 9. Here is add 9. As we want. Yeah. If you want to make it as a 5 group, you say 34 divided by 5. And the 34 is close to 35 divided by 5, 7. If you make 5 group, add 7, not 9, as you like. If you make as you want, extra information. Again, it's not belong to you. Okay, but how to get it 9. يعني احنا حاولنا نقول لكم ازاي هو جاب ال 9 دي اللي هي each time هو increased by 9. طيب open الورك بوك page 25. نفتح الورك page 25.
25
Yeah, Mr.
Yes,
25 in the workbook.
yes.
If I have,
Mr. 26, 26, not 25.
for
20,
example, from 200 to till 209, I have to, if I see that there is 2 to 101, I can choose the 2 or only one.
again, because I didn't concentrate with you, sorry, because I open,
يعني,
can
if
you
there
write,
is-
yes, can you write it, please?
Sir, what about displaying
On the
data,
screen?
Mr.?
Displaying data, here is the display data. We complete it inshallah tomorrow. Display data by
So how we will make the questions, because it is it has the two things, the
No,
displaying data and the
no,
organizing data.
no, you make the first one A بس, the first letter.
Just a.
A, yes,
مثلا لو في من 10 ل 19
yes,
وفي 2 11 اعمل عليهم سيركل هما الاثنين عادي.
yes, yes. يعني we count them. يعني 11, 11, we count them 11 each separated. يعني you have a 2, 11. You put it 2, 11, not 1.
Make the table.
يعني انت لو عندك 2 11 بتحسبهم باثنين. If you have a 2 11 you count it as a 2. ماشي؟
Make the table.
we do the table here. هنعمل التيبل عشان هو بيقول لي make a group detail and the frequency table using a group. هو determine here the groups. يعني just only we need to do the table. يبقى you have to do the table here. We just only write and put it the frequency. يعني just only write here. ياسين read it كده. The highest break score.
Okay. Snookers is a popular table game in Europe and Asia. A snooker player recorded the highest break score he made in each frame of a 36-frame tournament. Here are the results. Make a group tally and frequency table using the groups 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, etc.
Yes. You have a tele. Just a minute.
Oh, we make a table.
You do a table. Yes.
Just a
just-
minute, I will bring my ruler.
Write in it the numbers 1 to 10 and like this.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to bring it. Yes. You bring it. You have to bring. Give us again. You have to draw a table. Yes. Bring your tools.
I brought my tools.
Yes.
I do 3 lines and
Yes. You have to do.
I bring it. Oh.
Yes. And here is right. It is the first group, and the second is tally, and the third is frequency, like this. Here is the first one is the group. The name of the group is called break. Yes, but just only I write break here, break. And here is I write tally. And next one, I am writing here frequency.
Mr. You said page 29, yes?
Yes. Yes, page 20 frequency. But here is just only you do it like this. From you need to count.
It will be from 1 to 10.
When you just
The
only
first one.
you count it from 1 to 10. Yeah, just only.
The next one will be
Yes. يعني just only you count it and
خلاص التمييز حقي.
yes, okay. Here is how many frequency from 1 to 10. And first one, it is
I think it's 2.
from 1 to 10. But you
2.
you calculate from 1 to 2. يبقى here is 1 1 1. Just don't make me confused, okay?
9 and
Because
7.
okay, here is I have a 9 and I have a 7. يعني just only
2.
2. I put 2. Here is the next one.
And in the frequency 2 number.
Yes, and the frequency too. From how to get the next? هو from 11.
From 11 to 20.
من 11 to 20.
Mister, what's this?
Mister,
this
from
is,
what we
uh,
get
calling?
the lines
Lines.
in tally, the numbers in
Yeah,
tally.
what's the line? What's this line?
Line 2.
Yeah, 2 lines. Oh,
2 line.
What the meaning of them?
Number 2. The meaning
Ah,
if you find.
yeah, I understood.
If you find the 2 numbers, you put 2 or 3
Yeah,
numbers.
yeah,
you
I
put 3.
understood.
Yes. Number from 11 to 20. From 11 to 20. I count again from 11. After 11, I count how many numbers. طيب, here is in the
One.
first. I take the first one. Here is 11.
2,
Yes, and here is to 20, 16, and here is 17,
10.
19, and here is
17, 17,
18.
17, down,
Okay,
down.
stand, be quiet. Okay, 18 and 17. Okay, and 18 and 14.
And 40.
If you
Two
counted
minutes.
them, يبقى
It will be
1,
10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Type.
10
If you
meters.
10, okay. 10, 2, 2, 2. We have a missing.
Here,
10.
19.
19. Okay, excellent. I have a missing. Okay.
10,
Here
right?
is 10, right? Okay. Here is how to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 5.
And like
1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. يبقى الداش اللي هي السلوب داش is 1. And here is السلوب dash is 1. But the next one from 21 to 30. From 21 to 30. Okay. Here count it from 21 to 30. Right. We count from 21 to 30. Yes, we choose another color and we do it. Yes, if I choose another color, okay, and we do it. Right, from 21 to 30. 21 يبقى 28. Okay. Yes. 21. Yes.
I counted them and I found them.
Yes, 23. And here is 41. No. 23 also. 40, 35, 33, 22, 23. And here is 23 also. And here is until 30, we get it 30. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get it 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get it 8. Correct. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. After that, we do from 31 to
40.
to 40. Each time I add 9.
Mister, you
Yes.
put here
see.
7.
7 what?
In the line.
Where is the line?
Here.
7. Here is
Yeah,
8
you-
and
you-
we count this
1,
number.
2, 3. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, the next one.
31 to 40.
31 to 40, we count from 31 until we reach 40. 31 يبقى 33. Okay. And
36.
here is no 31, 38. Okay. Until to reach 40, 30, 40, 40, 36, 38. Here is 35, 33. Okay, and 36. If you count the red one, we get it 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get it 7 here. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Don't forget the dash, it's counted by 1. The next one.
Next one from 41 to 51.
Sir, I don't have a space.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Try to reduce them.
Mister, I didn't do from 31 to 40 because
No space?
what?
What's the problem?
I didn't do from 31 to 40 because he didn't ask correct on the question, and because I took all the space in.
Sir, I can
The
make
next-
it down
Make
the
it
table.
down. No, make it down the table. يعني Iris, we can make it beside it. No problem.
There is a lot of space.
Yes, if you didn't find it because if you get it down, I have a problem, but I make it here. Okay, for me, for example, I complete it here. Okay, no problem. Okay, I completed here to see it.
Mister, I did like that. It's
Yes.
like that.
Yes, no problem.
Yani
We
there
can-
is a space.
Yes, okay. If you don't have a space, you can do like this, okay? And you have to write the same break and the frequency and so on. Yeah, yes. And you complete it like this. Yes, there is. We can complete our break
And then from 41 to
daily and is
Mister, and then from 41 to 50,
Yes.
right?
Oh, yes, from 41 to 50. I have to count it from.
Mr. Roy will make this one. It's not written here.
Because, yes, good. Because I have to start, go on until we reach the greatest number. What is the greatest number here?
Greatest number is 50.
The greatest
No.
number, the greatest number.
68.
Yes, you didn't
68,
reach. You didn't take the greatest number. You have
no,
to go on.
69.
Yeah, 68 and say you have
No,
to go on.
69 is the
Yes,
greatest.
yes, you have to go on. You have to continue until to reach the highest.
Mister, it's 5.
Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
right.
Here is a problem again. Why you go on? You didn't stop. Yes, I didn't stop because I didn't complete. I didn't take all the number. We have to take all the number. We have a missing number here. We have to go on until to take all of them. Okay, do you understand what I mean? Until يبقى 40.
It's 5.
Here is 40, 44 and
Mr. Wait,
42
because I want
and
to write.
50. Okay, wait. 44, 42, 50, and I do like this.
It's
Okay,
5, Mister. It's 5.
5. Okay, and so on. 50, 50, 41. Okay, with us 41
And 42.
and 42. Yes, you have a 5. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is 5 also. From 51 to what? To 60. Yes,
Mister, there is only 2.
only 2. Yes. Actually, there is only 2 from 51 until 60. 50. We have here is a 53. Okay, and we have where is 55? Okay, 55. Only 2. 1, 2. Yes.
And the last
From
one from 61.
61 to
61 to
70.
69. Just
Yes.
to 70.
Yeah. You have also until now you have yes 2 also. Okay, it is, and the last one is 69. We have a 2. Yes. Here is if I want to best calculate. Maybe we missing some number. If you add them, 2 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2.
Wait.
Add them.
2 plus 10 is 12. 12
Yes.
plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 plus 7 equals
36.
36.
36.
Yeah.
The same here is يبقى sum equal 36. Okay, sum of frequency.
Here, Mr. Even he said 36
Yes.
green tone.
And here is he said 36. This means that I check the answer frequency equal اللي هو sum equal 36 and here is if you count data here we can find that is 36. يبقى no problem, we don't have any problem because you check and you find the same answer. Okay. يبقى here
No, right?
yes. يبقى did you finish?
No, Mr. No.
Yeah.
Yes.
I finished
Yeah.
all of this.
Yes. Okay.